Hello there, Billy Bakos, Jeff Jones Real Estate, 1 of 52 Peach Street. 52 Peach Street is the main frontage, the house there, and as we head in via the side path, walkway down the side of the house, and as we turn around, looking at the property with the electric hot water system. Very high there for fantastic views to the city and surrounds. Entering the main yard with the clothesline, fencing right around, as you can see. And the laundry. And heading upstairs. As we approach upstairs, fantastic views to the city and across. 52 Peach Street right at the front here. Heading in, all matching white roller blinds. Range hood, electric stove top and oven. Plenty of room for a medium-sized fridge there. To the lounge room with the aircon and downlights. Matching roller blinds right through the property, including the main entry. Plenty of sunlight coming in here at 3 p.m. We have the linen press, plenty of storage. Carpeted throughout. Into the bathroom with the frosted glass window that can be that slides up. Heat lamp. Into one of the bedrooms with fly screens on the windows there. 2 sets of double power points. One large curtain comes down with the fly screens as well there. Built-ins both bedrooms. And the second bedroom, once again, fly screens on the slide-up window. 2 twin power points. Plenty of natural sunlight coming in there with, again, with the built-ins. Downlights. And fly screen on that top window once again. Thank you very much and looking forward to your application. Bye for now.